Great to all of you. Welcome in our advanced spoken English class. Thanks for giving us this opportunity. So today we will play a short game. We will give each other some words and we will talk about the topic. So without wasting any time, let's talk.
School.
School is a very beautiful place. Everyone should go to school, like children. And in the school there are the many types of classes like physics lab, chemistry lab, computer lab, and there are many types of classes from LKG to class 12. And there are the many types of course in school after 11th like commerce, arts, bio, maths. In school we are playing also game like football, crickets, and in school we are also entertainment in annual functions, annual sports day, and in school we can learn everything in our life. Even we are also make a friends in school. Our school friends are called best friends in life. And school is a very beautiful place to everyone. Every people and everyone should go to school nowadays. And market.
Market.
Yes.
Market is the best source to get the things. Whenever we want anything which requires in our daily life, we can go to market and can get anything. And in this time we are seeing that the whole market is developing, and there are two types of market. One is a cultural, offline market, which is in the shops, and the second marketing area is the online shopping like Amazon, Flipkart. Before few days we debated on this topic that which one is the best. So literally I think the online shopping is better, because there are lots of convenience in online shoppings. And the best thing is whenever market gives the best opportunity to a person, it's the best source to do business. So people are gaining lots of monies from market. And also whenever we want the things, we can go to market, so it's provide us good convenience. So I think market is best for us, and it is very essential for us. So your topic is friend.
Friends. Okay, again I'm getting the same topic. So let's talk about friends. Friends are deed and friends indeed. As we have heard this phrase. So friends, I think everyone should have a friend, because friend is one who helps, whom we need when we are in trouble, or a friend is like a family only. When sometimes we get irritated, or sometimes we get sad from family just for a little reason. At that time, friends are one who make us understand that family matters more, and that kind of friends we get very rarely, because every friend are not good. Actually, every person is not good. Some are good, some are bad. So that's like only friends are also some good and some bad. If you get a good friend, you can develop many things, many good habits in your life. But if you get a bad friend, then you can't be good, because they will make you to that bad thing only, because they are your friend. Whatever they will tell you, they will make you understand, you will understand, because they are your friends. So if they will say you that you do this thing, this bad thing, then you will do. But if you get a good friend, they will help you in your homework, they will help you anyhow, they will help you. They can help you in exams, you can read with them, you can go out, you can hang out with them, you can have your food with them, you can invite him to your home or her to your home. You can also introduce them to your family, and even your family will be happy, because every parent wants that we will be in a good habit, and we should get a new and good friends. Every parent wants. So for parents and for our sake, we should make a good friend. Uh, Corruption.
Corruption. Nowadays we are see there are the many types of corruptions in India, like human trafficking, child laboring, harassment of the girls. So I think it is wrong, because it is very wrong for all the people. So even some people are corrupted, and many people are honest in this case. Honest, many people are honest in this case, and there are many types of rules by police officers. They get punishments to by get. There are many types we can see corrupted peoples in our India, like politics in movies, in movies and schools also. Some schools can take more money and give to the next class to the students. In this case, the student can't learn and study because the father get the money in school and they get passed with money. They do not know many importance of the money. And some parents, some students are talented. Even some students are talented and the parents has not age of the money. The people can stop at her education because the some few corrupted peoples are go to in this line and they have to get more money in schools or colleges and they get admission easily. Your topic is Bhandari sir.
Bhandari sir, okay, that's too good topic. Actually, DK Bhandari sir is the director of Advanced Spoken English class. He's too good and humble person. We love the way he teaches, and also he endeavors to teach us. He always tries to teach us English properly, and also we love to be here in this class because we are learning lots of things from him, like personality development, how to appear in the interviews, group discussion, besides learning spoken English. Because we see that whenever we go for higher studies, it is very essential to learn English, to speak in English, because English language provides us good opportunity to get good job. And here we are learning to speak English, and we are learning just because of him. So the whole credit goes to him. So I'd like to thank him for all this, and we are just talking here and playing the game just because of him. So whole credit we would like to give him, and I don't have the word for him, so I can't say about him. So your topic is your favorite movie characters, actors, actress, which is belong to Bollywood, Hollywood, and anything.
Favorite actor, you can say.
Count fast.
No one is my favorite actually.
Okay.
You can
So
say
tell us something about the importance of English.
Importance of English. Again, I got the topic, the same topic. Yesterday only I was told about this. I have told about this. That English is a basic language. As we know that English is an international language, and English matters more than Hindi in present day, because as we know that everywhere we can say English only. As we are using the phone operates in English only, or we can say that every machine which we are using, that all operates in English only. Or in nearby we can see like some packets or anything, it is always in English, like kurkure and chips we always use that word in English only. Some old age people or village people, they are using a good English, and even those who are not literate and those who are illiterate, they don't know even some words in English, but they use some words in English only, like
Teacher,
problems or programs,
washing machine, cooker.
TV, phone. These all English word, not Hindi, and they use it in English only. And English matters more. It is not our national language. British came here and they taught us this language, and we are following this. And for a little job also, we need to be a perfect English speaker, because when we know English, it provides us a good knowledge and a good job, as you have told this. And in India only, when we go to the south side, we can see that they can't speak in Hindi too much, but we have to communicate with them. So we can use English language, because they also knows English and we also knows English. So English is a language which we can use 100 times in a different way. and about 400 million people are there in this planet, and about 1.6 billion people can speak in English. So as we know that we can speak to 1.6 billion people, but we are not talking to everyone, but we can communicate with them. So when we go to the foreign countries, they don't know, like China and Japan, we don't know their language, Chinese and Japanese, or French, Spanish, any language. So we can communicate with them in English, because we need to communicate, because we are going there and we need to talk. So we can communicate with English. English is also basic for a small child, because when he or she starts their education, they start from English only. Nowadays, earlier they were teaching their name in Hindi, but now they start A, B, C, D first, then whatever. So even they learn their name in English only. And even they taught us in English only, that if someone will ask you what is your name, that meaning is this, not they are teaching tumhara naam kya hai. So English is very, very important and necessary language for everyone. Your topic is water.
Water. Water is too important for everyone, every people's, in every people's and animals also. Nowadays we can see the very blessed water in the world, because the pollution is very high, like industrial pollution, so cars pollution, air pollution, water pollution. The water is also in less in deep. Water is also in deep, because because the people, every people can waste the water more and more. Every people can waste the waters, and it can destroy also water by throwing here and there water, by washing clothes, by washing bikes, cars, even some people who can dairy farming, the animals they go in river, and world rivers are
Dirty.
dirty. World rivers are dirty. In one animals can destroy the at least 1,001 lakh liters water. One animals only, and we can see in many villages there can't the water supply in summer season. In some every people needs water in summer season more and more, because there is a too hot, and in that time the water can fall down deep in the earth, and the water can't up by machines, by model, and etc etc. Even we can see to some animals are also dead in this case. Some animals are also dead in case, some people who lives in Registan, some people who lives in Rajasthan, lives in Goa also, and etc. Your topic is advanced spoken English class.
Advanced spoken English class. I would like to tell you something about the advanced spoken English class. Actually, advanced spoken English class is situated in Gayatri, near to police station, which is Green Police Station. And your director is Mr. D.K. Mangdaria. I've told you. So actually, advanced spoken English class is the best academy to get knowledge and to get how to speak English. And our teacher is anti to teach English, and it's been I think 2 months, and I have learned lots of English by this class. And today we are playing this game in advanced spoken English class, and I have seen lots type of student here, like Ram Babu is just of I think 11 years old, and our Ekant is in 10th class, I am in 12th class, and some students are also married. So we see the age difference. Having said that, we are learning here, and we have the best
See?
What atmosphere?
sir, we have the best understanding. So this is a very good thing, because they have the experience, and we have the strength to learn English because we are the beginner and we are the student. So we share our experience, and this is the biggest thing of this class because we understand each other and share our experience, and we are getting here lots of knowledge besides learning English because whenever we do debates, our seniors, the married persons share their experience, and because they have seen the whole world, so they share their experience. And sometimes in school we got lots of knowledge, and we share that. So sometimes it mix, and we got lots of new knowledge. So your topic is uh, your topic is Earth.
Earth. Oh, Earth. Earth is a planet. As we know that there are 8 planets, and one of them is Earth. Earth, where we live, or we can say that Earth is a living planet because here humans survive, or a living being survives, like human, plants, animal, anyone can say. Earth is a planet where we get oxygen, waters, and many things which we need. There are so many peoples, there are different kinds of peoples, there are so many things like we get mountains, trees, waters, lands, or droughts, many things we get in this planet. There are many scientists who are trying to go to the different planet for knowing that there is a life or not, because if, according to present research, that there is only a planet Earth where life survives, because here are so many people and they pray to God. They think that God is in the heaven, and heaven is just above the cloud. It says, but I don't know. And earth is where many kind of different kind of living beings survives, like microorganisms and macroorganisms. As we know that macro becomes under macroorganism, we can see from them from our naked eyes, like we humans are there, and many kind of animals are found in the earth. Many non-living things are there, as we have told, like mountains and water. These are non-living things. Many insects are there in this planet. Many billion type of living things are in this planet. We some living things we even can't see, like some insects we can't see them, and even scientists also did not found till yet now that some some insects are there or not, because we can't see it from our naked eyes. And Earth is so beautiful from outside. And that's all about our conversation.